Heavy rains recorded in the morning of Saturday led to flooding and collapse of runoff in various parts of San Salvador and La Libertad, according to the Office of Civil Protection. It also indicates that the first evacuations have already taken place. The mayor of San Salvador said 50 houses were destroyed in the capital, and 2,000 people were evacuated and placed in temporary shelters across the country. One affected area is the residential area of Brisas de San Francisco, where the water level in a nearby stream has risen. The Aseluat River in the community of Nuevo Izrael also showed an increase in its flow. The El Salvadorian Red Cross reported that another point where water levels reached houses is on Poniente Eighth Street and South 4th Avenue in San Salvador. In La Libertad, in the community of El Tanque, in the municipality of Antiguo Cuscatlan, water has affected several houses. Similarly, motorists driving through the center of Santa Tecla crossed a street that is completely flooded.